Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about the spice cumin, and I've got some quick tips and ideas for you on ways to use cumin. This is part 2 in the series because I have a lot of tips here, so I broke it up. If you haven't seen part 1, I've got a link to that video below. For the best flavor, try toasting your cumin seeds before you grind them into a powder. You can temper cumin seeds and other spices. It's a common technique that's used in Indian cooking. And this step releases the flavors and aromas from the spices by adding other flavors as well. And all you need to do is just simply fry the seeds in a little bit of oil briefly, allowing them to become aromatic. Do this until they start to pop, and then you can add your other ingredients. And this infuses the entire dish with a rich cumin flavor. How about sprinkling some ground toasted cumin on avocado toast? Try adding cumin to pork and lamb dishes. Try sprinkling a little ground cumin over a boiled egg and add a little bit of salt on there. You may enjoy that. How about sprinkling a little cumin on a cheese omelet just as it finishes cooking? Add whole cumin seeds early in the cooking to allow time for the flavors to be released. This will give you the most flavor benefit that you can out of those seeds. Now, this may seem odd, but the flavor of ground cumin is more concentrated than that of the whole seed. So when you're switching one for another, use less of the ground spice than you would the whole seed. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.